He's totally not interested in this food till she comes into his cage and eats it. I love competition. It's great for training. He doesn't care. You can have it all. Is that all you have? What you got going up here? Where are all your toys you used to have? She took them out. What'd you do to them? He's still afraid of her. She's the boss. Why don't you eat all this good stuff? She eats the whole thing in a couple hours. He's just doing that. You're such an appeaser. So he's gonna eat all your vegetables and all hers. Such a pretty girl. Don't you think? You like his cage? Hers is closed for a reason. Yes, the guilty party here knows why.